So shame on Walmart. Why are they selling dead strawberry plants in their garden center? I hate to talk about Walmart because I like Walmart as a company, and it's probably not Walmart's fault. But when I opened this package that I bought, and out came a bunch of dead roots, and I bought these early. I bought them about a week ago, and they had just put them out. So before we look at them now, I'm going to show you these a week before when I just bought them, and I'll show you how I potted them, and I'll show you how they look coming right out of the package. So let's take a look at this video from a week before now, and you can see the difference. So this is what we've got. Some, once again, almost dead looking plants, and some, this is, looks like seed starting mix of some type. And you know, I don't understand why they won't actually make a better packaging if they know most of the people aren't going to buy this early. So we've got this dried out plants that they've given us, but this is what we're going to plant and see if we can save them. And so let's get started. The first thing you have to do is find the rubber band that's holding all the roots together, and that's it right here. And we're going to trim that rubber band and see how many plants we can find. There we go. And I'm going to try to just shake them out. Okay, so let's see what we're getting. So we're going to call this one root number 1. We'll call that one root number 2. And then this one is root number 3. Yeah. I'm going to put the plant in, and then I'm going to just, with my hand, pick up and put dirt around the base like this. Put it in. Dirt around the base. Cover up those roots. And there's one. And when you open these up and you can see what the results are now about a week later, let's just take a look at the results. So is this what we're buying at Walmart? You can see this dead plant. There's no life in that. I could try to nurse this back to health, but do I want to? So out of 10 plants, I got, out of 10 roots, it looks like I'm gonna get 1 plant. And I thought this might be just an anomaly, because last year I bought a bunch of them and I got very similar results, but I didn't buy them until the middle of February. So I thought last year, well, maybe it's my fault for buying them too late. So I bought them earlier this year just to try them. And I want to show you what they're packed in. They're packed in this green plastic that you can't see through. So you can't even see the plants that you're trying to buy when you buy them. You can kind of look through there and maybe try to see some leaves or something, some sign of life. But what happens is you buy these, you take them home, and then you get, as I can show you here when I took these out, you get these dead roots. So, and I want to show you what they're packed in. Some very, let me turn this down. Some very dry, fluffy. There's no moisture at all in this. So what happened is they went ahead and they pulled plants that were dormant, and they got the bare roots, and then they put them into a warmer temperature, and they probably, to get so many to supply all these garden centers, then the plants you can see came out and sprouted, and then of course this root is completely dead. So what happened was they sprouted and they died waiting on shipment. And Walmart should be ashamed to sell. Now Walmart of course didn't pack these. These are packed, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'll read it to you. Guaranteed to grow 1 year from purchase if directions are followed. Product is planted within the season of purchase. Proof of purchase or receipt required. Any concerns related to product purchased, feel free to contact us at Van Zyverden Incorporated, www.vanzyverden.com. Post Office Box 550, Meridian, Mississippi 38302 0550. So they are packed in Mississippi, but what they're doing is probably holding them too long. Now I bought lots of bare root strawberries before, and they came in, there was moisture in the package, and there's been no moisture in this package. And so what happened was, when I took these out, they looked completely dead. Well, they are completely dead, and I just don't think that Walmart should be selling them like this, because all the other big packers like Burpee, you can mail order those, they will send you live plants, and they're packed in just a little bit of moisture, and you don't run into this problem. So that's my 2 cents worth on what Walmart is doing. And then they shouldn't pack them in this green plastic that you cannot see through. Let me show you the same. This is the same manufacturer, and I'm going to show you what they send their onions in. So here you go, it's Van Zyverden again, okay? And now look at these onions. You can actually see the onion sets here because you can see through the packaging. Well, why can't they send their plants in the same type of packaging so we can actually see what we're buying? And if they're all dead, then we won't buy them. Now, I'm pretty sure I can take these back to Walmart and get a refund, but that's not why you buy them. You don't want to be buying stuff to take back. We wanted to buy the strawberry plants to get some strawberries. And like I say, when we get results like this, that is just not what we want. So why not put the strawberry plants in packaging like this so we can see what we're buying instead of this here? So we get taken for a ride. And that's all I've got to say about the matter, folks. So buy these strawberry plants or anything else at your own risk. Now, they also pack their blueberries and their flowers and things in the same type of packaging that you can't see, and they've got them in sawdust, and you won't be able to see what you're buying. And I had bought 4 blueberry plants last year, and all 4 of them did not make it. So they've got great prices and everything, but what is a great price if the product is not going to grow? Okay, folks, I'm signing off now. Thank y'all for watching, and we will see you on the next video.